We're looking for Neolithic axes, and the Neolithic in Britain dates from 4000 BC to 2500 BC. So we're going back nearly sort of 6,000 years.
I'm getting my master's in Celtic Archaeology at Bangor University, and I saw this opportunity pop up. It's actually my first excavation.
Mae tyrchu am bethau hanesyddol, rhywbeth sydd wedi bod yn y tir am gymaint o flynyddoedd, a sydd ddim wedi gweld y haul o'r dydd ers yr adeg yna. Yn rhywbeth sydd yn, mae'n rhywbeth sydd yn diddordeb mawr I fi.
This area is particularly of interest because this was actually ploughed for the only known time back in 1960. A local antiquarian came and walked over this and found a scatter of finds all over the ploughed field, and that included a lot of axe-working debris, but also some flint. That suggests that while they were actually making axes here, they were also doing other tasks that needed other tools that were made out of flint. So that suggested this might be a settlement site.
I've always been interested in archaeology, to be honest, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to come up here and just get a little taster.
Dwi'n mynd I gael I fewn I hyn, really, cos mae'n had yn caru pethau fel yma. Wedyn nes I trio a o'n I jyst eisiau gwneud eto. A dwi'n licio, dwi eisiau gwneud daeareg yn uni, so mae'n ffordd dda I gael fewn I hynna.
I think over lockdown I rediscovered my interest for history and my country.
We were just finding a couple small flakes and some large stones that weren't anything. And then in between two of the large stones was this end scraper. If you just saw this anywhere, it would just look like a stone, but what you can see is you've got a sharp edge here and then the upwards angle where they've hit the stone to get the edge there. It was used for getting flesh and meat off the hide to make leather, and it was also used to carve wood.
Wel, dach chi ddim yn cynhyrchu pethau fel hyn os dach chi ddim yn byw mewn yr ardal. Felly, da ni'n meddwl fod yn y caeau yma, lle da ni wedi bod yn gweithio, efallai roedd nhw'n gwersyllu yma dros cyfnod o, wel, canrifoedd.
Recognising it takes a little bit of practice. So it's my first day today, and at first I dug this out and I thought, oh wow, this looks like it's an axe type of shape, but actually it's not, it's just been hit by a plough. And what we're actually looking for are the more sort of waste products that have been clipped off making the axe head.
So hefyd, be da chi'n trio ffeindio yno fo ydy y bulb of percussion maen nhw'n alw, neu dyna be nes I ddysgu yn brifysgol. So, be sy'n digwydd ydy pan maen nhw'n cael carreg fel hyn, fatha lumpyn, a maen nhw'n iwsio fatha deud fatha hammerstone fel hyn, maen nhw'n hitio fo, bang, fel la. Mae o'n llifio ffwrdd, a da chi'n gweld y marcia rownd fel la, lle mae o di mynd trwad fatha vibrations, da chi'n gweld o'n glir mewn flint, ond dim gymaint mewn hwn, ond da chi yn weld o, so chwiliwch allan amdano fo.
So we're really excited. Our first go digging up in the Caneddines. We found a few bits of axe flint, and then we found this fabulous bit of flint, which apparently is all the way over from Yorkshire. So we're really excited.
I think that's from actually making something else. It's got various sort of odd little scars on it and things. So I think that's probably waste from making a tool. So you just have to find the tool.
Time flies by. If you think you're only here for 5 minutes, but you've been here for like 3 hours.
Wel, mae 'di bod yn rili neis I cyfarfod pobl efo'r un diddordeba a chdi, cos ti'n gwybod bob dim amdan pethau, dysgu lot i fi. So, wedi bod yn really nice.
Ie, dwi'n meddwl bod wedi bod yn gyfle da, ti'n meddwl i gyfarfod pobl newydd, pobl hefo'r un diddordeba a chdi, ti'n meddwl, ag mewn ffordd wedyn ti'n gallu adeiladu cymuned efo'r pobl yna a connectio efo pobl, ti'n meddwl, sa ti ddim yn connectio fel arfer, ti'n meddwl, mae yna pobl allan yna, ti'n meddwl, efo'r un diddordeba, pethau fe yna, wedyn mae hyn di rhoi cyfle i nhw gyd o at ei gilydd, os ti'n meddwl. So yeah, dwi'n meddwl bod wedi bod yn dda.
I actually quite like all the Welsh lessons I've been having. That's been really nice. That's my favorite thing. It's not archaeology, but...
The trowel, the bucket, the shaker, the shovel, and the treasure. There it is.